Hi, today I would like to show you a different crochet pattern. I actually just learned it. It's pretty simple. The German word for it is Rosenstäbchen. Stäbchen is the German word for double crochet, and Rosen translated is roses. Roses, double crochet roses. I started to make 25 Maschen, 25 chains on the bottom, like I often do because I'm making another towel. But you need 2 for the outer double crochet, so I made 27, and I stitched into the 3rd double crochet, and now I have 25 still on the bottom. That's about the length I like, the width actually, the width I like for my little towels I'm making. So let me show you. So now I'm at the end of the row. I will be making 2 for the turnaround, 2 for the double crochet, and then don't stitch into that first one, skip that one, and then do like you're making a double crochet. You go around like this, skip this, stitch into the second one, go in here, and usually for the double crochet you pull the thread through. Wait, no, I showed you wrong. You take your thread, skip one, go into the second one, pull it through, and usually you take the thread with it when you make a double crochet and pull that through. This time you don't. You just go through it here. You can hold it here a little bit, your chain, your stitch, and just go through here. And the second time you take the thread on the crochet hook and pull it through. Sorry, I got messed up a little bit on the beginning explaining it. Okay, you go like this with a double crochet, stitch into here, pull it through like you make a double crochet, and remember with a double crochet you go through 2 and then through another 2. Well, with this one you don't take the thread this time. You go under here, you see, and then through. Look, these are your 2 chains, and there's your Rosenstäbchen. There are your Rosenstäbchen. Let me show you more. Let me get the camera here a little bit. Like this. Stitch into the next stitch and around, pull it through, and then do not get it. Let me show you so you can see it right. Go under here, you see, and then take the thread and through. Look, I crochet them over here. I'll show you more how to turn around again. I just started crocheting again. I hadn't been crocheting in years, and I really enjoy it. It is very therapeutic. I mostly crochet on it when I get up in the mornings. Let me show you. You're here at the last one. All you do is, you see, you're here at the last one. All you do is stitch in the second chain from the row before. In the second chain, and just make another Rosenstäbchen like this, and then you make 2 chains, just like when I showed you on the beginning, and you skip this one because that is like a replaced Rosenstäbchen. So you don't stitch in this one into the first, you stitch into the second, and then you just keep going. You see? It's easy, but you got to know it. It's all straight up there and it looks beautiful, you see? Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Thanks. Bye. Till next time.